When I listen to it, if you listen carefully to the words, she not only sings it great, but there's a message in this music. Bette Midler from the album No Frills, Only in Miami. Number 1, Y100. Check.
Pointing finger up and away, these the words which transpire. She told me that only in Miami is cool so far away.
It's not even the song the record company is pushing on Bette Midler's newest album, but Y100 program director Robert Walker thinks he stumbled on a smash record.
It sounds like Miami. It sounds like, you know, you can almost hear it pouring out of every apartment and every restaurant and cafe along Calle Ocho, you know. You just expect to hear that kind of music. It's very Miami.
Standing on the shoreline waiting, everyone anticipating. I can hear the broken-hearted say, only in Miami is Cuba so far away.
If you're not Cuban, if you can relate to a family being torn apart, it's just the story of a human tragedy. And it's kind of ironic. It's a very poignant song, lyrically, buried in this happy, hot track that everyone makes you want to dance. It's kind of, that juxtaposition, that irony is very, very poignant to me.
And she cries for a traveling mother, and she cries for a traveling mother, and she cries for a traveling mother. Can't face another day, chasing days away. For her mother that she turned away. Only in Miami, the Cuba so far away. Only in Miami is Cuba so far away. Standing on the shoreline waiting,